Why are my keys in your hand? You say you don't want me as a man anymore.
Show ko sa inyo, kuha kami itong paintball. Ganito itsura ng paintball. And then magpuputok siya. Yeah, puputok siya, then color green siya. Grabe. Grabe. We're done! So we're done. First round lang kami kasi may trabaho mamaya si Mother. That's so fun. Look at this. Okay na ba ito? Ayan. So, ayun lang po para sa vlog natin today. Yun lang po, nakauwi na nga po kami, hindi ba po? And, can you please appreciate my eyebrows? Bagong thread po, bagong tabas po yung eyebrows natin today. May mga gumawa ng accounts sa Instagram and I just wanna shout them out. I'm gonna shout out them. Basta i-shoutout ko lang sila. At you can follow them at Kilatrell _ squad. Yung account na yon ginawa ni Baby Sophie. So, thank you very much, Baby Sophie. Tapos yung pangalawang account, Kilatrell X Madamers. Something like that. Tapos, ginawa yun ni Jackie yung name niya. So, thank you sa inyong dalawa and na-appreciate ko yung pag-effort nyong i-post yung pagmumukha ko sa timeline. I-post yung pagmumukha ko sa timeline ko. So, that's it for our video, guys. Thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. And ang dungis-dungis ko na. See you in my next video. Bye!
I don't need so I came to this strange world hoping I could